Indies have set yet another low record, losing back-to-back games against Nepal. This little country in Southern Asia with zero cricketing pedigree, and they are 2-0 up in a 3-match T20 international series against the once mighty West Indies. And it's not like them scrape and beat the West Indies. They bowled out the Windies for 80 yards, winning a T20 game by almost 100 runs. And this thing about a weakened team is rubbish. At least half of the West Indies team are first-string players. And of course, not surprisingly, Nepal batted first on both occasions, putting little runs on the board. And the little slow bowlers, them just turn over them arm. And as the West Indies batsman see them, they worthlessly came and went. And you know, we used to say West Indies cricket is gone to the dogs. But not even the dogs want the West Indies right now. The dogs sick of them. The dogs them see the West Indies and lift up. Them shame on the West Indies.